Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, you are going to learn CSS creating IDs. In cascading style sheets, we need to apply a particular style into a multiple HTML elements. The same style. You may, for an example, you may observe like some Flipkart or Amazon or any other websites. There would be like a following a menu item or menu things. A common color will apply for all the pages. They won't go for any independent colors for independent pages. So it will be called like a theme, like a template. The theme, like the same theme is going to be applied forever for all the pages which are going to be developed in this particular website or web project. So to keep on writing the same code again and again for different pages, it's very typical. And even if any minor changes are happens, it's a too typical to change. In such way, the CSS group of people are introduced like creating an ID mode. Whenever you trying to applying the same ID for any HTML element, these ID, a group of properties, will automatically apply for all the, like wherever you are applying for this ID to HTML element, this will be applied automatically. Let's see, it will be save you more time, and if any changes are happens, you simply change it ID position place, like that particular style tag area. The rest of the ID wherever it's applying, all will be applied for this style. Let's see how it is. See, to creating an ID, what we call it as the selector, we create an ID by implies like hashtag. So by putting hashtag, and you can create your own name. It might be anything. Here I have taken TOP as the top is my ID. So the declaration part would be, we have written like a property and values. No, same. We'll take multiple properties for a single ID, like background color, text color, font changes, and radius of edges, and length and width, height. Many properties you can add at this same ID. The same ID we are going to be applying for HTML elements or HTML tags. The same thing. So let's see how it is possible to write in practical way. Let's open your Sublime Text Editor. Now let's see. For this, I'm going to applying for my simple ID, like where implies like a hashtag. I will choose for an div element. So you will be better understanding for that. So the div element area, I'm choosing here like div. Yeah, inside the div, I'm choosing for h1 tag hello, like this is div element inside the div now. So I have prepared this way. The paragraph tag, this is sample text here, and one more paragraph tag we have seen earlier also. This is another paragraph. So three elements we have added, three tags h1 p and again p. Three tags I have added in div element. So if I run this program, what we see as plain, we'll see the output. So from here to here. So the same, this is div element h1 tag, this is the paragraph, and this is the another paragraph. So here what I am trying to doing to applying commonly for these three elements at one time. Like one place I need to prepare a code, unless until see here it is written 1 2 thrice we have written different colors, no? So we have taken 3. If I want to apply 3 same colors for these 3 h2 or h1 elements, we can take the classes or IDs. So in here in this lecture we are seeing about two IDs. So in the CSS ID selector name proper, like a name proceed by hashtag, as we discussed. See how I am creating an ID. Inside the head tag, after the title, I am initiating style tag. So how it would be the style tag? Like less than style. Yes, this style tag you have to write. Type is text or oblique CSS, cascading style sheet. Inside the style, put hash mark. Okay, and my box I'm taking an ID. You maybe take any name. Put hashtag and put any of your name and open and end curly braces. Open and end curly braces. Inside, go to inside and hit enter. You will see it this way, the same way. I'll repeat it again. Let's see, I'm removing and I'll repeat it again. So take shift, open and end curly braces, you create. See, you find the cursor is inside, just put enter. You will see this way, to habituate to write the code in such way. Okay, now what we need to do here, these properties I'm going to adding inside. That's it. I'm not doing nothing more. These properties, take a copy, the background property with value, and if I want more property with value, that's it. See the color, and what is the color I can give? Blue, BLUE. I'll give terminate. That's it. This way you can prepare here like many properties. Like a padding is also there, padding, padding, to making the space 20 px I'm giving. Okay, this way how many parameters of properties you can add in a single ID. These are all the properties. So we have prepared an ID based style tag. This ID very simply I'm going to applying to div. How I'm going to applying? Just simply see here, this div is there, no? Take a space, ID equal to open and end brace. You can specify this hashtag name. That's it. Take a copy and inside here you can paste here, save it. So very simple. Let's see here, by save it and run the program. Yeah, refresh. Yeah, is it applied? No, let's just check it once again. Yeah, I'll this name, yeah, without hashtag we have to apply. Yes, yeah, my box, correct. Save it and check the output. Wow, the background is applied. Text color will take like a yellow. It's not fully embossing, so instead of blue, any color or anything you want to put in the colors you wish, like a yes, see, hello, this is div element and text is also applying for colors. So this div element completely, the background we are applied for orange. All this way you can prepare. So this ID not only the particular to like this element. If you want to put the same like this information to your paragraph in outside div, yes, you can apply. See, P, this is applied for CSS class ID, CSS ID tag, CSS ID. Let's see, by default it will be displayed on black color, this one. If I want to apply the same ID, how I can apply? Inside the P tag, ID equal to like what is this, my box, my box. See the style I am applying, this my box, same style I am applying to this paragraph also. So see, just I'm declared as ID my box. That's it. So take it in output, refresh. Wow, so it's applying. I didn't added any styles or any information. One time I have written it is here. It is called internal CSS. Alright, I hope you better understand about this lecture. We'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.